His shoulders hold what others share, heavy loads that stay unsaid. No one sees the quiet strain, how he carries others' pain. Yet he moves through every mile with a tired but gentle smile. Every burden has a cost. When your strength feels nearly lost, lay the weight you cannot bear. You deserve a lighter air. All the things he lifts each day are the words he cannot say. Dreams put off and needs ignored, while he serves without reward. Still a voice begins to rise, soft but honest, clear and wise, saying it is time to see what his life is meant to be. Every burden has a cost. When your strength feels nearly lost, lay the weight you cannot bear. You deserve a lighter final tag. Letting go becomes the first step.